Hello बच्चों, let us read the question first. Smooth muscles is option A found in walls of heart only, option B found in the walls of all the hollow organs except heart, option C attached to the bones only, or option D found only in the walls of alimentary canal. So इस particular question में हमें identify करनी है location of smooth muscles कि एक human body में जो smooth muscles होती हैं वो कहाँ present होती हैं. Hence, हम जो concept use करेंगे that would be location of smooth muscles. So first of all, let us look at some of the basic features of smooth muscles. तो जो smooth muscles होते हैं इनका जो structure होता है that is fusiform shaped या जिन्हें हम कह सकते हैं as spindle shaped muscle fibers because इनके दोनों ही ends जो होते हैं that are pointed or also called as tapering ends unlike skeletal जो एक cylindrical structure show करते हैं. Moreover, अगर हम इनकी appearance की बात करें तो they appear as smooth muscles जैसे कि इनका नाम suggest कर रहा है because इनमें जो striations होती हैं that is presence of alternate actin and myosin filaments that is absent. इसीलिए जो smooth muscles होते हैं they are unstriated muscles unlike skeletal जो show करते हैं dark and light bands and appear as striated muscles. Lastly, जो इनका mode of action होता है smooth muscles का that is involuntary in nature. It means जो इनकी smooth muscles की movement होती है ना वो एक human के direct control में नहीं होती. ये automatically move करते हैं as per the need, as per the requirement of the body. So now if we look at the location of the smooth muscles in a human body, that includes ये present होते हैं in the walls of blood vessels, stomach, small intestine, urinary bladder. इन सब organs को हम collectively refer कर सकते हैं as hollow organs. इसीलिए जो blood vessels की constriction movement होती है वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती. contraction of stomach, bowel movement of small intestine, urinary bladder की movement ये एक ह्यूमन की कंट्रोल में नहीं होती है बिकॉज जो स्मूथ मसल्स होते हैं ये शो करते हैं इनवॉलेंट्री नेचर और एक ह्यूमन इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर सकता है इनकी मूवमेंट्स डायरेक्टली. नाउ इफ वी लुक एट द ऑप्शंस, सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन दैट इज A says smooth muscles are found in the walls of heart only, but ये particular statement correct है for cardiac muscles जो exclusively present होते हैं in the walls of heart. Option B which says found in the walls of all the hollow organs except heart. Yes, this is correct for smooth muscles because heart में तो present होते हैं cardiac muscles. Option C attached to the bones only. ये particular true है for skeletal muscles जो present होते हैं attached to our bones. Option D found only in the walls of alimentary canal. Smooth muscles truly present होती हैं alimentary canal में but they are not only, ये other locations पे भी present होती हैं that is other than alimentary canal. Hence the correct option is option B. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of all the hollow organs except heart. So I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.